Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Balrampur Chini. Our analyst maintains buy on Balrampur Chini with an unchanged price target of Rs 615. ISMA has projected opening stock of 9.05 million tons as October 1st, 2024 and sugar production of 33.3 million ton without diversion. This provides lot of headroom for the government to allow ethanol production through sugarcane juice and B-heavy molasses. Around 4 to 4.5 million ton diversion might be allowed. Further, there is possibility of government allowing around 2 million tons of sugar export as Brazil is expected to see lower production in the current year. Domestic sugar prices are expected to remain high with expected lower inventory at end of second half and likely increase in the sugar MSP. Overall, we expect sugar companies including Balrampur Chini to post good recovery in the operating in FY25 and expect stable performance in FY26. Stock trades at 24 times FY25 and 20 times FY26 estimated earnings. Next, we have an update on ICICI Lombard. Our analyst maintains buy rating on ICICI Lombard with a price target of Rs 2,550. The competitive environment has relatively become favorable, leading to healthy underlying business trends, providing tailwinds to growth and profitability. We expect the company to deliver ROE of 18 to 20% in near to medium term. At the current market price, the stock trades at 36.2 times its FY26 and 30.3 times its FY27 earning EPS estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.